This Culligan 33-cup water filter dispenser uses a 5-stage filtration system that noticeably improves taste and clarity for everyday drinking and cooking. Its certified performance against lead, total PFAS, mercury, fluoride, chlorine, and other contaminants inspires a lot of confidence in the quality of the water you are pouring. The included dissolved solids tester is genuinely useful, letting you see when the filter is still performing well and when it is time for a replacement instead of guessing. With a slim, elongated shape that tucks neatly into most refrigerator shelves or sits cleanly on a counter, it delivers a large capacity without dominating your kitchen space. The drop-in filter, sliding lid, and smooth spigot make refilling and dispensing straightforward, so the whole household can use it without fuss. By replacing many single-use plastic water bottles while providing cleaner-tasting water at home, this dispenser feels like a practical upgrade for both health and sustainability.